Crystal boba or agar agar boba are chewy and lighter alternatives to tapioca pearls. In our recipe, we'll show you how to make these white pearls from agar powder as well as matcha, taro, strawberry, blue pea, and brown sugar crystal boba too. Here are the crystal boba ingredients you'll need. Crystal boba is usually made from agar powder or cognac powder. You can also choose to add your favorite fruit juice to change the taste and color. Here's how much of each ingredient we use to make different colored agar agar boba. Depending on your time and how big or small you want your crystal boba, you can either use a mold or the spherification method. For the spherification method, you want to prepare a bowl of ice. Fill a bowl with cool water and add ice to it. Set it aside in the fridge to allow the water temperature to decrease further. Then, heat your coconut water in a pot on medium-high heat. Add your sugar, then agar agar powder. Bring it to a boil and stir continuously. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for 5 minutes. You want to make sure to keep stirring to avoid clumps from forming. Take it off the heat and let it cool to about 50 degrees. Once it's cooled, grab your ice bowl and gently add a layer of vegetable or neutral tasting oil to the surface. Then, using a half teaspoon spoon, gently drop your agar mixture into the ice water. These will come out just nice to fit through a boba straw. We don't use a squeezy bottle as you need a lot of control or you won't get these round ball shapes. Then, rinse these under some water and enjoy. The crystal boba formed from the spherification method will turn out rounder but less unified in shape as you are doing it by hand. If you're using a mold, the steps are exactly the same to make the agar mixture. You can also immediately pour it into the mold. Then, let it cool for 10 minutes before popping it out to enjoy. The agar agar powder boba made with a mold will be more uniform in size but not as round. You'll also need to pick a mold that will make the right size to fit through a boba straw. Make sure to like this video if our agar agar boba recipe worked for you. You can also make other flavors and colors with our method, including brown sugar crystal boba, purple taro, strawberry pink, matcha green, and blue pea. Here's how. Lots of people get confused between crystal boba and tapioca pearls, so here's a closer look at how crystal boba compares to boba. First, crystal boba is made out of agar agar powder or cognac, while boba or tapioca pearls are made from tapioca starch. The tapioca pearls you normally see have black food coloring inside, but without it, they're just white in color too. Texture-wise, you can see that crystal boba are firmer than tapioca pearls and more brittle when you bite into them. Taste-wise, the base of crystal boba and tapioca pearls are flavorless, so they'll take on whatever flavor you want to add, like brown sugar or honey to make golden boba, or even matcha agar agar boba. We love making these short recipe videos, so do subscribe if you want to see more.